guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are fine. As you know, I have started a new series for all the bachelor degree which is going to be taken after class 12 board exam. If you get the result, then you can easily apply for bachelor degree, or you can simply say as the undergraduate degree which is going to be taken after class 12th for further studies. So in this video, I'm gonna start with another bachelor degree which is BA in music. In this video I will be going to explain each and every topic related to it. Okay, let's see the overview. What is written here? In this video I am going to discuss now eligibility, fees, what are the entrance tests to get the top colleges in India. As you know, I have already made a more than 5 to 6 video on every subject which is in bachelor degree. For example, BA in history, BA in English, BA in sociology, etc. In this video I am going to talk about BA in music. Okay, let's focus on that. Entrance test. What are the top colleges in India? What are its employment area where you can do job? What are its future scope? Future scope and employment area both are same, so you no need to worry. Okay. And what after BA sociology? If you want to take a job, you can easily apply, or you can go for further studies after getting bachelor degree. Okay, let's move further. I hope is it clear to you. Let's discuss one by one. Our first slide going to show eligibility. Let me talk about eligibility. Course level, this is the undergraduate degree, or you can simply say bachelor degree. What is its duration? It is also for 3 years. Okay. Examination type semester, but it depended upon college where you can apply, or you have taken admission. Okay, some of the college take as semester wise exam. For example, you have, if you have 3 years, then your semester is 6, means 1 year is equal to 2 semester. 3 years is equal to 2, is 3 into 2 6. There are total 6 semester in BA music, but some of the college take as the annual exam. Okay, it totally depend upon the college where you are studying. Okay, class 12th passed from recognized board. Recognized board means if you are from state board, CBSE board, ICSE board, it totally depend. You can apply, you can easily eligible for this degree. Okay, admission process is merit based according to your marks you have scored in class 12th. Okay, let's move further. Fees. This is the most important topic. Fees. The average fees incurred is rupees 2000 to 3 to 5 lakh per annum, but it totally depend upon the college where across India where you can go for where you can apply, or you are studying right now. Okay, or you can apply. Some of the college take as 2000 rupees per annum, or some of the top colleges they can take 3 to 5 lakh per annum also. It totally depends upon the college where you can study. Average fees for top institute is up to 3 to 5 lakh per annum. The average fees of top institute means the top colleges in India. Okay, they take up to 3 to 5 lakh per year or per annum. Okay, I hope is it clear to you. Let's move further. Entrance test. This is the most important test if you want to get if you want to apply for a top colleges in India. Okay, our first entrance test was BHU UET. Second one is Bangalore University entrance exam, Indian Institute of Fine Arts entrance exam, for Annamalai University entrance exam. These are the top entrance test. If you clear the exam, you can your college is allotted according to your marks. Okay, it totally depend upon your marks, how much you have scored in all this entrance test. Okay, there are more entrance test, but I have taken I have shortlist the top entrance test in India. Okay, I hope is it clear to you. Let's move further. What are the top colleges in India? Let me talk about the top colleges in India and where it is established or situated. Okay, First one is Miranda House. This is the top college in India, which is in New Delhi. Ramjas College, New Delhi. VVDVU, Pune. Ranchi University, which is in Jharkhand or Ranchi, Jharkhand. Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapit. IP College for Women, New Delhi. These are the top colleges in India. Okay, where you can apply or and you get a chance to study this top institute in India. Okay, let's move further. Job opportunities for Bachelor of Arts, BA Music. Okay, job position. Let me talk about the job position and the average salary you have. If you join the job, then you will get the annual salary. And what are this average annual salary? Let me talk in this video. What is job position? Music director. The average salary is of music director is 9,90,535. Average annual salary मतलब minimum per year salary per year. Second one is professor. You can be a professor of music. 9 lakh rupees average annual salary. Composers 6,72,535. Audio technician 3,67,537. Artist and performer 9,37,000. These are the top job position where you can apply after getting this degree. Okay, I hope is it clear to you. Let me talk about the future scopes other than employment area. You can be a music teacher after getting this degree. Advertising specialist you can be a. Artist journalist you can also apply for it. Music journalist you can also. Film music director you can also go for filmmaking. Okay, I hope is it clear to you. Let's move further. And this is the most important topic after being a music student can pursue. If you get the degree, you can go for a job or you can go for further studies. Okay, you can this is the bachelor degree. You can go for postgraduate degree, which is upper after bachelor degree, upper degree, which is postgraduate degree. You can do PGD in music, MA in music, masters in music, government exam, or you can go for government exam. As we know, all the government exam has minimum eligibility is bachelor. You can from any graduation from any recognized board. अब कोई भी ग्रेजुएशन आपका ग्रेजुएशन होने चाहिए कोई भी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम में अप्लाई करने के लिए. Okay, some of the government exam offer 10th student level based or 12th level based or graduation based. For example, SSC CGL, SSC CHSL for 10th, SSC CGL for 12th graduation, or SSC MTS for class 12 level. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share to your friends. And press the bell icon also to get regular notification. Whenever I will upload my video, you will get the notification as fast. Okay, thank you.